Sorry about that, mi amigos. Part two of the continuation of the first one. Lost internet connection. No excuse, so I'm moving on. 2016 Ford Edge SLE. That's MPG 21 over 30. 14K. Is it here? Again, that's what I tell you. Just follow and go live. Very clean. Keyless entry, black leather seats, large screen. Ready to roll. Again, under 14. There you go. Let's go take a look at the last three. I think I got last three, unless it's so while I'm back here trying to get internet. Thank you, fellas. These guys are the ones that make them pass inspections and get them out here for us to get y'all into budget vehicles. I got three more. See if I can hunt them down. They're definitely on the lot, ready to go. Can talk to y'all while I'm walking. Ivan Lopez here about a Ford. That's me. 985-966-9443. Let's go back to the front. I may lose connection, may not. If I do, I'm not shooting another part three. You have to just come on out here and come take a look at it yourself. They'll well sell before you get a chance to. So again, the continuation, what I got coming up. This one that's coming up, it should be a 2018 Ford Fusion. The nice look with the black wheels. There we go. Another budget under, all of these under budget friendly vehicles. This one here, 2018, my bad. 2018 S trim Ford Fusion. This one MPG 21 over 32, under 14K. You guys heard me. I can say it in Spanish if you like. But it's your budget-friendly car here at Banner Ford in Mandeville. Get myself a little workout here. So again, these all that I'm letting you know between the first video. If you didn't miss it, go back to seeing that one. If you're missing it all together, you should be following the page anyway. So if you cry that you lost it, it's because you wasn't following. Next one here is a 2018 Sonata Limited sedan. Loaded. Light interior. This MPG 25 or 35. This one's under 15. It's under 15 here. Black tan interior. Again, I don't script them. But I mean, I'm just going to peek through the window here. Loaded. Again, light interior, large screen. All these under 15. 15K, you hear me? Of course, plus your tax-high license. Last one I have for the time being. May get some more on trade. I gotta wait for them to get inspected. Is this Malibu. 2017 Malibu, MPG 2736. Definitely a commuter. Under 15. Ladies and gentlemen, appreciate you taking the time looking at the video. If y'all didn't see it live and you're catching it, a recap, there is a first video. Showed you two other cars, and it was in the middle of a third one. This is your LT trim. This one's black on black. Very clean. Get myself dizzy here. Trying to look at the camera and look at the screen. But again, sporty, economical, budget friendly. Hey, Mr. Jason. Again, Ivan Lopez here, Banner Ford. That's me. I don't have my silly jacket on. Actually, just looking normal. There you go, Mr. Jason. I definitely appreciate y'all, you guys. Make sure you follow the page. If not, you don't catch it live. There's no posted page. There's no bloopers. There's no, if I fall on my face, it is what it is. Adios, amigos. Give me a thumbs up. Share the video if you're looking for anybody looking for under 15K. Showed you a few. You lose out. Can't come cry to me. I may have others as they come. Do have a lot of cars over that 15K worth the money. So come see me here at Bannerforeign. Don't forget to ask me about my protection plan. Adios, mi amigo. That's me.